At the end of the Emperor Pen Part 15, I left it up to the viewers as to which, one of these 5 different types of wood they liked the best. And it was unanimous that it was the burl. Well, that was my first choice too, although I didn't want to say anything because I didn't want to influence anybody. But the burl was my first choice. But my second choice was not the second choice of the viewers. Most of the viewers, if they had a second choice, would go for the monkey wood. Now that is really nice, but my second choice was the Sycamore. And I'm going to turn a Sycamore pen today using the Sierra button click. And I have to kill some time here anyway because I said I'd give a couple of days, for the viewers to have a chance to voice their opinions. It looks like it's going to be unanimously the burl, but anyway, one of the viewers was saying, well, how come you didn't show all of the, or something to the effect of, why didn't you show all of the woods being turned? Like, why didn't you show the Sycamore? Well, I had shown the monkey wood, and then I showed the burl in great detail. And once you've shown one, you've pretty well shown them all. I mean, I did them all the same way. Anyway, let's get going here on this, and we'll see if we can make a nice little Sycamore pen. Now this is all Sycamore. And this particular piece here, or pieces, the blank looked a lot like this. But I'm noticing that this one here, it's a little bit different. It doesn't quite look the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this one because I want to see how much different it will look. Anyway, this is what I'm going to do. And it looks like I can get 2 blanks out of it, so maybe I'll turn 2 of these. I just realized that I forgot to put the wax plug on the end here. Well, I guess we'll just have a little bit of extra cleaning out to do. Now this thick gives me a lot more time to mess around like this. Well, I got at least half of them right. Now this is extremely important, and that is that you get all the residue out of your brass tube. Because, as I've mentioned before, and just in case this is the first one of my videos you've watched, if the pen parts are too tight, you're going to end up breaking something. Either the pen part or your pen press. So, like I say, Sort of plow out all the extra glue and residue. Save yourself a lot of headaches later. Well, I'm doing about 290 RPM here. Just going to work some of the cut and shine into it. And now I'm going to go from the center out over the bushing. You'll see how the bushing was cut by the abrasive and the cut and shine. Okay, find a nice fresh piece here and we'll buff it up a bit. It's about 1100. And that's 3200. Now that's just one application and it looks really good. Now I know from experience that it's not going to get a whole lot better than that, but I'll give it a few more. This will be the third application of this stuff. That looks pretty nice. Well, it looks pretty much the same. Turned out nice. It's just a lot smaller. And I guess in part 2, which should be tomorrow all being well, we press the Sierra button click together.